In the ever-evolving landscape of project management, having the right tools at your disposal can significantly impact your team's efficiency and your project's success. For those operating on a tight budget, the allure of free project management software is undeniable. Among the numerous options available, wrike stands out as a popular choice. But the crucial question remains: is wrike's free plan truly one of the best? Let's delve into what wrike offers in its free tier and assess its suitability for various project management needs. Wrike, at its core, is a collaborative work management platform designed to streamline tasks, improve communication, and enhance overall project organization. Its free plan provides a foundational set of features that can be particularly beneficial for small teams or individuals managing relatively straightforward projects. One of the primary strengths of wrike's free plan is its task management capabilities. Users can create and assign tasks, set due dates, and track progress visually through different views like list view and board view, Kanban style. This allows for a clear understanding of who is responsible for what and the current status of each activity. For teams just starting with formal project management, this level of task organization can be a game changer, moving away from scattered emails and ad hoc assignments. Collaboration is another key aspect where wrike's free plan offers valuable features. It allows for team communication directly within tasks, reducing the need for constant email exchanges. Users can tag team members, share files, and have discussions related to specific tasks, keeping all relevant information centralized. This fosters better communication and ensures everyone is on the same page regarding project details and any potential roadblocks. Furthermore, wrike's free plan includes basic reporting functionalities. While not as advanced as the paid versions, it provides an overview of task progress and team workload. This can be helpful for identifying potential bottlenecks or ensuring an equitable distribution of work among team members. For educational purposes, this feature allows students learning about project management to grasp the importance of tracking progress and resource allocation. However, like any free tool, wrike's free plan does come with limitations. The most significant constraint is the team size, which is capped at a maximum of 5 users. This makes it ideal for very small teams but might not be sufficient for growing businesses or larger project groups. Another limitation is the storage space provided, which is typically around 2 gigabytes. While adequate for basic document sharing and task-related files, it might become restrictive for projects involving large multimedia files or extensive documentation. The free plan also lacks some of the more advanced features available in wrike's paid tiers, such as Gantt charts for visual timeline management, workload charts for resource optimization, custom workflows, and integrations with other business-critical applications like CRM or advanced analytics tools. For individuals or teams with complex project requirements or the need for in-depth reporting and automation, the free plan might eventually prove insufficient. Considering the educational aspect, wrike's free plan offers a practical and accessible platform for students to learn the fundamentals of project management. They can gain hands-on experience with task creation, assignment, progress tracking, and team collaboration without the financial burden of paid software. The intuitive interface and basic features make it easy to understand core project management concepts. Instructors can use it as a teaching tool to illustrate workflows, task dependencies, and the importance of clear communication within a project team. For those looking to write about project management for educational standards, exploring tools like wrike's free plan provides real-world examples to support theoretical concepts. They can analyze the strengths and limitations of such tools in the context of different project scenarios, fostering a deeper understanding of the practical challenges and solutions in project management. So, is wrike's free plan one of the best? The answer, as with many things, is nuanced and depends on individual needs and circumstances. For very small teams or individuals managing simple projects, wrike's free plan offers a robust set of features that can significantly improve organization and collaboration. Its task management, basic collaboration tools, and progress tracking capabilities provide a solid foundation for effective project execution. It's also an excellent starting point for those new to project management software or for educational purposes. However, for larger teams, projects with complex dependencies, or those requiring advanced features and integrations, the limitations of the free plan will likely necessitate an upgrade to a paid tier. While the free version provides a valuable introduction to wrike's functionality, it's essential to recognize its constraints and evaluate whether they align with your project management demands.